by choosing the salad base. You can choose from 4 different salads. So I'm going to choose a Caesar salad. You can choose from 5 different toppings. You kind of mix and match up to your preference, and I'll choose a chicken breast. And for dressings, usually we have about 10. But today I'm going to go with roasted sesame. So for the payment options, we offer the option to pay by cash, EasyLink, Flash Pay, PayPass, PayWave, and also there's the pay by Apple Pay and Go On. Here, it's going to start dispensing. Topping along the way, and you'll pick up the dressing. And you collect everything at the end. Kind of peel all these packages apart, you put it inside the box, and you shake it, and that's how your milkshake salad.